And Soumya. Looks like the app got restarted because of heat something, not sure. Current Sushma to Adi, Adi to Karan, to Adi to Sushma, to Adi, Adi to Sushma, to Karan, Karan to Damor, Damor to Adi, Adi to Karan. Karan hits deep to Sagarika, and it's a D. Jersey number 22 gets the rest. Jersey number 22 to jersey number 23. Damor on the mark. Adi on the mark. Karan, call for it, Ra. If you have injury. It's a drop from China. Players are questioning them. After a timeout, Adi on the disc. Parallelly, we have Karan. Then horizontally, we have, looks like a L. We have Sagarika and Becca, and three others on the stack on the sideline. Karan hits deep to Soumya. Soumya gets it for a score. It's a break. No, it's a hole for Team India. It's 12-8 now. 12-8. We are at women defense point now. I don't know how much time we have. Clock, the app got reset. Okay, we're done 90 minutes into the game, it seems. Not sure the heat break they're giving. They're just trying to extend the game time or not. I'm not clear about that. There we have Sam, Lakshman, Alex, Pooja Raghu, Shal, Nona, Mega. Looks like pole gone out. Yet it's a good long pole, I guess. They're bringing it to brick mark. There. Nona on the mark. Lakshman marking the support. Into this. Oh, Nona almost gets it with the disc. And it's a score for China. Sam was quite loose, a little bit of a loose on his player. Probably it's something part of the plan, I'm not sure about. Shirl tried her best to box out that space. We couldn't get the D. Oh, that's okay. We are in a good position now. So its score is 12-9. We need this hold and then a break. Probably a couple of breaks to solve the game. Yeah. Not sure how long time also we have. Probably might go game to 14. Could be. I'm not clear about the time rule due to this heat break. The men offense point, we have Box, Karan, Damor, Adi along with Sagarika, Becca and Sushma. Box picked up the disc. It's Adi, the center. Adi to Sagarika. Sagarika resets it to Box. Box to Karan. Body contact accepted. By Karan's men, I think jersey number 53 or 93. To Sushma. Adi cuts deep. No throw for Karan, it seems. Sushma grounded the disc. And it's a break for China. Okay. Let's see. $12-10. It's a men offense point. We have Damor, Karan, Adi, Alex, I guess. Adi, Karan, Krishna, Alex, yeah. Then we have Sushma, Sagarika, Becca. Need an easy offense, a cheeky, clean hold. Aaron calls break. Adi is setting him for the support. Some instructions from Coach Buddy. Aaron is on the break mark. Aaron dumps it to Adi. And it's a foul call on Adi. Foul call by Adi. Looks like before releasing the disc it was hit by jersey number 19 or 29. It's not clear. They are discussing. Contested call, it seems. Adi resets it to Aaron. Aaron hits Damor. Damor to Aaron. Aaron to Becca. Sushma goes upline. No option. Becca resets it to Aaron. Aaron to Karan. Karan to Becca. Becca fakes it to Damor and puts it and resets it back to Karan. Karan looking for options. Becca comes for rescue. Becca to Karan again. High release to Adi. And it's a D on Damor. Probably very low throw from Adi as well. Jersey number 88 drops the disc. India gets it back. We need this hold. India needs this hold. Aaron with the disc. Aaron to Adi. Adi looking deep. No option. Adi to Karan. Karan to Damor. Damor to Adi. Adi looking for options. Resets it to Aaron. Aaron to Karan. Karan to Aaron. Aaron to Sushma. Sushma resets it to Damor. Damor hits a hammer to Karan for a score. Earned this point. There's a confusion on Indian side on the gender ratio, it seems. They fixed it now. Kalpo in line to pull along with Mega, Pooja Raghu and Rico, Sushil, Lakshman and Alex. Mega sagging a bit on the forehand side. Lakshman on the mark. Mega on a mark. Call. Alex Person gets the disc. It looks like there was a slight body contact before initiating that cut. So there's a call from Alex, and yeah, looks like accepted call. People are getting back to the position. And it's a deep shot from China. It's a D from Alex on the air. India need this break to get a good lead. Sushil cuts deep, no option. Alex to Lakshman, Lakshman to Alex, Alex to Kalpo, Kalpo to Sushil, Sushil to Kalpo, Kalpo fakes it to Mega, Mega shooting deep. Lakshman hits Mega, mid of the field. Rico separated her. Okay, that's a D. It's not a great throw. Another deep shot. Sushil. Can Sushil get it? No. Sushil couldn't get this. And it's a score for China. Thirteen 11. Women offense point. We have Soumya, Sagarika, Becca, Sushma, along with Karan, Krishna Damor, and Adi. Sushma picking up the disc. To the Hadi. Hadi to Damor. Karan is running deep. Damor hits him. Karan gets the disc. Few more yards. And there is a body contact on the mark on Karan, it seems. Karan to Sagarika for a score. And it's a clean hold from Team India. It's 14-11. I wish this should be the last point for the game. Get this break. Win this game, go home. Fourteen 11, 4-man defense point now. For Team India, inline Sushil, Sam, Alex, Lakshman, along with Pooja Raghu, Riku, and Mega. Alex pulling in from the corner. It's pretty much a good pull. Just in line of the end zone. Sam on the mark. Lakshman on the dump. Jersey number 10 hits deep. Sushil. Sushil was on the guard. A person tried to go for vertical. Disc bumped out of his hand. There could be a body contact. Not clear from here. There is a call on Sushil. Translator is in now. They are discussing. It's a contested call from Sushil. The call has been contested by Sushil. This is coming back to jersey number 10, who hugged it deep. Stall coming at 3. Lakshman on the mark. Looks like a force 4. A flattish force 4. big call from Sam. Sushil's person running deep. Sushil, Alex, Pooja Raghu, everyone were in the deep. Not sure who gets the D. That's a good snatch by Lakshman. That's a layout grab from Pooja Raghu to save the disc. Resetting it to Alex. Alex hits deep. Lakshman gets the disc. Riku for the score. And it's a win for Team India. That's a celebration. Woo-hoo! Okay, signing off.